you are going to love the 2015 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, four-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, heated seats, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.